Welcome to Amenify India, where we are redefining the future of living spaces. With over $20 million USD raised to date, we've delighted more than 100,000 users and earned over 35,000 5-star ratings. Our mission? To provide premium interior furnishing, lifestyle, and maintenance services that transform your living experience. Experience your future space like never before with Amenify. Our cutting-edge 3D virtual reality environment powered by AI and machine learning-based personalization allows you to walk through your newly designed interior, making every detail perfect before it becomes reality. At Amenify India, designing your space is more intuitive than ever with our augmented reality technology. Select furniture, adjust placements, and experiment with styles, all in real time. It's your vision, brought to life with the swipe of a finger. Stay updated and manage your services effortlessly with the Amenify Operator Portal app. From scheduling to real-time updates via our 3D camera installed at your site, our app brings transparency and simplifies your experience, thus making it hassle-free and convenient. Join the Amenify India family and elevate your living experience. With our cutting-edge technology and commitment to excellence, your dream space is just a step away. Discover more at amenify.in. Ready to transform your space? Visit us online and take the first step towards a luxurious, hassle-free lifestyle. Amenify, where your dream home becomes a reality.